not possible for this cipher to be broken by computer because the steps to its decipherment are completely irrational. If you know that you need a keyword, how possibly could a computer program decide to go and look on a gravestone in the cemetery? It's not the sort of thing that a computer could even begin to approach. So, that teaches us that we must ignore absolutely everything that we are told about it and try to look at it for ourselves. British intelligence confirmed to me that it was the most complex cipher they had ever seen. It would have taken months of work to prepare, and it's utterly unbreakable without the key. So, as they said to me, whoever gave you the decipherment must have the key, or have access to somebody who has the key. So we know we're dealing with something which is not just a game. It's something which is deadly serious. And that's why the cries that one hears these days that the documents are fake is totally ludicrous. If British intelligence are impressed by the cipher, then I think we should be too.